Let me just show you. With the crab meat.
Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Thanks so much for your love and support. If you are coming back, I truly appreciate. Say hello in the comments. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button with that bell for notification. Let's get on with this cook with me, because I, as a mother of two and two more, just loves to cook. So I figured I'd show you my love of my cooking, which I'm going to be cooking chicken stir fry that everybody loves me cooking. And of course, let's just include my children in the kitchen, because you know what, we cannot do this enough when our kids just bother us while we're busy. Am I like wrong or not? And I'll do a little dance moves, because I am a TikTok little fan also. Everything is in my description box, so go ahead and add me. Everything will be in my description box, as well as the ingredients that I use for my own stir fry dish. Some might be a little different, so if you want to juice it up your own way, because what I did was put crab meat on the side of my stir fry, because myself just loves fish. I love cooking fish. And you know what? I just love the love of cooking, and I did not go to a cooking school, but honestly, I'd rather just cook for my family than cook it professionally. Literally, like, it's just fun to do, and it's a good hobby, especially as a mother. Cooking just definitely just relieves stress for myself. I just love, especially being in a clean kitchen. Once my kitchen is clean, I can't get out of the kitchen. You could ask anybody that knows me.
Today I woke up, I'm thinking about Elvis somewhere in Vegas. I'm not sure how I got here, or how this ring on my left hand just appeared out of nowhere. I gotta go, take the chips and the pizza and hit the road.
You guys all day. Is there one thing that you guys love to put in everything that you guys cook? Comment down below. Mine, honestly, I put everything with soy sauce. I know that seems a little strange, but literally that is just boosts everything out. Soy sauce is my favorite thing to cook. How many of you loves to smell your own food? I don't know about you, but my kitchen is always smelling like Trinidad and Tobago, where my dad is from, if y'all did not know already. My kitchen, when my grandma cooked, always smelled so good. And let's just say it smelled like curry powder. The best smell anybody could be smelling.
I couldn't face what I couldn't find. Just need to know I need peace of mind.
Stay tuned for the next video where I will be talking about everything about manifesting everything and what has also changed about myself today and through my past.
Even though words are deceiving, you move on. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. Believe in you and me. I'm all
Alright
alone
guys,
down
this is
the
the end of the
city
video. I'm going to end it right here because I am super hungry and it's getting super late. So, if you like videos like that, give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that bell for more notification for every time I post up a new video and you're notified. And for more videos, I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.